a current medium of exchange in the form of coins and banknotes. We can write the amount of money in two ways. First one in words, second one in figures. I say again, we can write the amount of money in two ways. First one in words, second one in figures. Are you understand, children? Hi children, how are you? I hope all are fine. Now we discuss about the chapter is money. See the first Roman sums. Write the following in figures. Write the following in figures. See the first sum. 7 rupees 15 paise. 7 rupees 15 paise. They are given words to write in numbers. First you write the rupees symbol. How many rupees? 7 rupees. So you write 7. How many paise? 15 paise. So you put dot and write 15. Is it clear? Okay. Second one, 8 rupees. First you write rupees symbol. Then you write 8. Is it clear? See the third sum, 100 rupees 10 paise. And rupees symbol first you write it. 100 rupees 10 paise. Is it clear, children? See the next Roman. Convert into paise. First sum 5 rupees. They are given rupees. Now we convert into paise. First you write 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. 5 rupees equal to 5 into 100 paise. 5 into 100, 500. 500 paise. 5 rupees equal to 500 paise. Is it clear, children? Rupees to paise you multiply by 100. Okay. See the next sum. 14 rupees 25 paise. 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. 14 rupees 25 paise equal to 14 rupees. So 14 into 100 plus 25. See children, what is our given sum? 14 rupees 25 paise. So 14 into 100. 14 rupees. So you multiply by 100. 14 into 100. You multiply 100, 14. 4 0 0. 4 0 0. 4 1 is 4. 1 0 0. 1 0 0. 1 1 is 1. Now you add 0 0. 4 plus 0 4. 1. We get the answer is 1400 plus 25. Now you add 1400 plus 25. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 2, 2. 4. Here no number, you assume 0. 4 plus 0, 4. Here also no number, you assume 0. 1 plus 0, 1. We get the answer is 1425. We get the answer 1425 paise. 14 rupees 25 paise. We get the answer is 1425 paise. Is it clear, children? See the third Roman children, convert into rupees. For some 900 paise. They gave paise, we convert into rupees. First you write 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. 900 paise equal to 900 divided by 100. 900 divided by 100. Now you divide 9 times. 9 into 100, 900. Now you subtract 0. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 9 minus 9, 0. So we get the answer is 9. Therefore, 900 paise equal to 9 rupees. Is it clear, children? I say again, children. The given sum is 900 paise. You convert into rupees. First you write 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. 900 paise equal to 900 divided by 100. 9 into 100, 900. So we get the answer is 9. 900 paise equal to 9 rupees. Is it clear, children? See the next sum. 440 paise. 440 paise. First you write 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. 440 paise equal to 440 divided by 100. First you divide 440 divided by 100. 4 hundreds are 400. Now you subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 0, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So you write therefore 440 paise equal to 4 rupees 40 paise. 4 rupees 40 paise.